Had to start over because I had it on time lapse. Anyways, hi you guys, it's Goode and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, what's goody? I do a lot of like makeup and hair tutorials, and since my makeup's already done, I'm doing a hair tutorial for you guys. So I'm gonna do something with my really dirty hair. It got straightened the weekend of my graduation and I just do not feel like washing it. So we're gonna do like a ninja bun, adding some braiding hair to it. So yeah, let's get right into what I'll be needing. I'm gonna be taking lots of gel, handy dandy gel. This is the Wetline Extreme Gel. Of course I like the Eco Styler gel, all the different types of Eco Styler gel, but this one I really like. I've used it a lot in the past. This thing has a handle on it, man. That is so convenient. So my mama got this from somewhere. I think she said like $3 or $4 that she bought this for, and that is actually correct. I saw this in a CVS or a Walgreens this past weekend when I was in Austin. Anyways, I saw this in there and it was $3 or $4, so this is definitely a good amount of gel for that price, and I really like this gel. I think it holds up just as good with Eco Styler, and they do have a jar that is like a squeeze tube, and listen, if you got long nails like me, squeeze tubes are the shit. So yeah, I'll be using this gel today, if I even use a lot at all. But anyways, I'm gonna take gel, and also got some edge control. This is the Design Essentials Sleek Edge Control. I showed this before. I really do like it. I think I have a good amount. I might grab another one from my mom's closet, but we'll see. I'm also gonna be needing lots and lots of these rubber bands. Just got these from the beauty supply one day. They're $2. And of course, I said I'll be adding some hair. So this is the Model Premium Silky Touch Jumbo Braiding 100% Premium Soft Connect-A-Lawn braiding hair. I got the color 1. Pretty long pack, y'all know, standard braiding hair. So yeah, first I'm just gonna put this up in a ponytail. I want it pretty high, so I probably need a comb. I do want my ninja bun to sit pretty high, so if my hair was currently curly, I would definitely need a lot of gel to just do this step alone, but since it's straight, it's pretty easy to do. Oh, it really needs to be combed because my roots is getting back curly, but that should do. Nice and smooth. Oh, my hair looks big. Oh, that's cute. One day I gotta try like the fake bang situation, because that'd be cute sometime on some people, but not today. I'm not prepared for all that. Alright, I'm just gonna position it where I would like it, like I said, essentially on the smack top of my head. Okay, so I'm grabbing 2 rubber bands because I like my hair tight when I put it in a ponytail. If I could just get the rubber bands on my finger. Nail problems, y'all. This is difficult to do with nails, I'm not gonna front. There's a few things I hate doing with nails, and that's one of it. Okay, no. Gotta straighten this back out. So I'm gonna break a nail. Okay, there we go. Progress. Okay. That's tight enough. Alright. So we're gonna finally open up this pack of braiding hair. Okay, so what I really like about this braiding hair is that it comes with a rubber band already on it, so I can just tug it and put it around my, wow, what is this, bro, okay, whatever. Now, I wouldn't say my hair is a 1, like my natural hair, but I just do not like twos on me. So I'm gonna split it kind of just like how my hair is split. So just take it, have it on both sides. Okay. So to achieve the top knots look, oh, but I could go out like this. I'm cute like this, y'all. I look a mess. Anyways, so we're gonna twist it, and I'm just twisting my hair around it. Yeah, I'm just gonna twist on one side first. So I'm doing the one side of the braiding hair first, and as I'm twisting, I'm wrapping it around the ponytail like this. Okay, so twist and rotates. Twist and rotates. See, and it's looking cute. It's looking cute. I know it like it's leaning, but it's because I got all this hair right here. Once I do that part, it won't be leaning. Okay. Oh, I need bobby pins. I'm so slow. Okay. Y'all, I don't know how I forgot bobby pins in my list of products, but you definitely need some if you want it really secure. So I got to the end of the one side of the braiding hair, so I'm gonna just secure it with a bobby pin. Oh, fail. Okay, that was a struggle, but again, we're just gonna twist, and rotate. Should I do it the same direction? I guess. So now we got to the end, I'm just gonna pin it to secure it with that bobby pin, if I can. I'm gonna get it, y'all, I promise. These nails, they may delay me, but I can always finesse. Just a tad. Just want to like make it a little messy. So I'm just gonna like start to pull out some hairs. Ooh, you go back in there. Okay. It looks a little cuter. Also gonna get my actual hair together. So let's put some more gel. Ew. Oof. Really? Okay. Is the final look for my little ninja bun. It's a little messier than the ones I've watched myself on YouTube, but I like it. I like the kind of messier looking buns. I did want it to sit a little higher, but I'm satisfied. I am really kind of annoyed that my hair is already deciding to curl up around the edges where I put the gel. I knew that was gonna happen, but I wanted to look a little sleeker around here. So but I definitely think like when I go to sleep and I put my, you know, headscarf around the edges, that it will lay much better. I don't think the color one looks weird on my like brownish 1B, more of a 1B color, natural hair color. So yeah, I think it was a success. Hopefully this video doesn't look a mess, but if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're doing, get it together. Go ahead and click that button. Make sure you are getting notifications by hitting the bell next to the subscription button as well. And I will see you guys in my next video, which will probably also be about my hair when I actually decide to wash it. Anyways, yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.